Today, we will be discussing several aspects of the safety precautions when handling and working around rebar on the job site. To start things off, what is rebar? Rebar is short for reinforcement bar, a steel bar or mesh of wires used as a tensioning device in reinforced concrete and masonry structures to strengthen and hold the concrete together. It significantly increases the tensile strength of structures, preventing cracks and failure under heavy loads, as concrete is strong in compression but weak in tension. Rebar, just like many other resources, comes in different sizes. Rebar sizes are designated by numbers, number A through number 18 representing the diameter in eighths of an inch. Common sizes for residential and commercial concrete driveways and foundations are number 3, number 4, #5, and number 6. Larger sizes number 7 through number 18 are used for heavy-duty infrastructure like bridges, columns, and high-rise buildings. When working with or around rebar, make sure you are wearing the proper PPE to ensure all safety precautions are being taken. The proper PPE for rebar would consist of a hard hat, gloves, a vest, safety glasses, steel-toe boots, and a long-sleeve shirt is also highly recommended for added protection against cuts and scrapes along the arms while handling the rebar or even just walking past. When working around rebar, make sure to constantly watch your step as rebar is laid out in a grid pattern and can not only cause a tripping hazard, but the metal can also become slick during humid or dewy mornings. Rebar for concrete slabs is commonly spaced in 12-inch to 24-inch squares, with 18 inches being a standard. Versatile option. For residential projects, number 3 or number 4 rebar is used. Smaller 12-inch grids provide more strength, while 24-inch grids are generally used for lighter-duty applications.
All protruding rebar rods need a rebar cap, which can be plastic caps made specifically for rebar, or wood, per OSHA standards. If the cap can support 250 pounds of force from a 10-foot drop height, the cap is OSHA approved. Rebar caps can be purchased at several different stores. If a worker is to be even only to feet off the ground, OSHA also requires them to wear a harness to prevent life-threatening injuries or even death if they fall onto a rebar. It is also very important to wear a fast shielding combination with your safety glasses when cutting any and all rebar. Rebar safety and awareness is crucial for yourself and your co-workers. I hope this helped you learn more about rebar safety and protection, so you and your crew can stay safe on the job site. Thank you.